Hello everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and today is my simple stamping and paper crafts, and I'm actually making a quick and easy treat holder. These are going to be for my co-workers, well, ex-co-workers, but I'm going to visit them before the holidays, so I wanted to just bring a little treat for them. And I always make them a big bunch of cookies because they love the cookies. They love when I bake anything. So every time I go, I've been bringing something. If I go empty-handed, they're like, where are our goodies? But anyway, these are going to be going for them. I'm thinking of putting some Hershey's Kisses in some of them. I didn't have them yet. I haven't bought any yet. Or you can put anything in here. Any of the Christmas candies. I decided just to show you with the M&Ms, but I think that I may be using Hershey Kisses, the red and green ones, for in here. So this is what I'm sharing today, and it's super quick and easy. And to make it even easier, I'm using my stitched rectangles again. I'm actually using the largest one in these. So I ran that already through the Big Shot, and here it is. And this has the stitching around it, so it makes it a little bit more fancy. So it's really nice. And then I am using the Making Christmas Bright stamp set. This is from last year, but we still have it in the annual catalog. So if you want this one, you can still get it. And it's really a good one. I love these bulbs here. I've done quite a few projects with this, so you can go back on my YouTube channel and check those out. But this is what I'm using for this. So what I'm going to do, I'm not even scoring it, but if you're fussy, you can score it in half. But I am just going to line up the edges. Make sure you line them up really well, though. When you get these, just line up those edges. And then I just press down the center, and then I get my bone folder and I'll sharpen those. Makes it a lot quick and easier than going to have to score all of them. And I need a bunch, so I wanted to make it quick and easy. So we are going to use our mat because I'm using a photopolymer, and that mat works wonders for that. I know you're probably sick of hearing me say that, but I really learned a lesson with that. That's been very, very good. And then I'm just going to ink it up with Memento Black. And I'm going to put it a little bit taller so my ribbon can go under there and in the center, because I want to put my ribbon underneath that sentiment there. And then I'm going to use my Stamparatus for the little light bulbs because I wanted to make sure they were straight, and I guess I'm pretty picky about that. I wanted to make sure it's in the right position. So let's see if I got that still good for this. So I'm going to put my magnet down here, and I'm going to probably realign these. No, I think I got it good there. I think that's good. So let's just go ahead and ink it up. I'm going to put my mat under there just for stability. And then we're going to ink that up. You don't even have to ink the whole thing up. I should have put another piece under there, scrap, so it didn't get on my mat, but I think it'll wipe off of this. And then we're just going to stamp that. There, just press it down. Isn't that cute? I love these little things, and I'm going to go ahead and use my Simply Chamois to wipe this before I get ink everywhere. And on here. Pick that up. And it's just very simple coloring with our Stampin' Blends. So let's move all of this out of the way, and we're going to color these. So I'm going to start with the Real Red. I'm just going to do like every other one. Or I'm going to do 2 rows, 2 of the same. I don't know what I'm trying to tell you. I'm going to do it twice on here, the colors. So I'm going to use the same colors twice. I guess that's the easiest way just describe it. And I'll tell you here the colors in a minute, but you can definitely color whatever you want. You can use your Stampin' Right markers for this too. So this one is actually Dark Poppy Parade and not real red. It's Dark Poppy Parade. This one is Pumpkin Pie Dark. This one I think is Dark Mango Melody. The dark ones are a little bit brighter, so I use dark in all of them. And this is Granny Apple Green. Oh no, this is light Granny Apple Green. And then this one is Light Night of Navy. And then we'll do one more Poppy Parade right there. It's just hanging off the edge, but we're going to color it. And that's it. It's super, super simple. I'm using our Stampin' Up! 3x6 gusseted bags. These bags are food safe. That's what I love about Stampin' Up! I think I have some Reese's Santas here. I think I'll just put, just to show you, I'll put some of these in there. So you can put any kind of candy in it that you like. And then I'm just going to fold this over, and I'm going to use a piece of regular tape to tape it. So I'm just folding this over, and I'm just taping it so it stays closed. And then I'm going to use some tear and tape. Now you can staple this if you want. I decided just to use the tear and tape so it would come off easy and there wouldn't be any staples involved. So I'm putting a piece on each side, and then we'll remove the backing. And then this will fit. Get it lined up first before you close it. And then I'm going to just take my ribbon make sure that's going right, and we'll tie a bow. I find it's really easy to use, it's easier for me if I use a glue dot to hold this down. Usually I'll do it before or when I'm tying the bow because it seems to hold it in place for me, but I'm going to just do it here. I don't want a huge bow because I don't want it to get in the way of the sentiment. And then I'm going to get a glue dot and I'm going to put it right underneath that bow. I'm going to stick one right under there. To remove the backing on these because these are some that came in my paper pumpkin kit, but I wanted to use them. And then that's it. So there you have it, and here's the one with the M&Ms. So you can put any candy in it, and I think I'm going to put different candy in for everybody. They can swap out if they like different things, because we always used to do that when I worked there. So that is it, super quick and easy. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you need any supplies for this project, you can go to my blog at stampingwithamore.com and shop right from my blog. Have a blessed one, everyone. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.